Right, just a quick little job you can do. A lot of people, you'll see these normally sat down by the headlights. A lot of people say bin them. Now there's a simple thing you can do to really make sure these don't cause the issues that they are, because these can have issues with catching fire. It's like an old school resistor type thing. So quick little idea. Right, I've got a soldering iron on, I've got some solder and got some wire. So what you want to do, straighten those wires out without mounting it. Off. Right. So you want to hold that about there and smash it and put it in the bin.